Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling the calendar API and app script. Make sure OAuth consent is set so your script can create events. Next, prepare a Google Sheet with clear headers: title, start, end, description, guests, calendar ID, status. Once done, open extensions, then app script, and paste a minimal scaffold that reads the sheet and logs rows. You do this now to get OAuth prompts early. It prevents permission surprises later and lets you iterate on real data. Now implement the core logic. Read rows, parse start and end into date objects, and enforce your time zone to avoid offsets. Then map each column to event fields: title, description, guests, and use the calendar API methods for reminders and visibility. Make sure to generate and store a unique ID per row to detect duplicates, and batch process 10 to 50 rows per execution to stay within quotas. Finally, add logger and try one sample row so you can confirm. To finish, install an app script trigger, time-driven for periodic sync or on edit for instant updates, and choose frequency that fits quota. Add robust error handling. Try/catch around API calls, write status values like created or error to the sheet, and include log messages for failed rows. Make sure the calendar's sharing allows event creation and watch API quotas. If auth errors appear, reauthorize the script. Tip: if events don't appear, check the status column and the execution log for the first failing row.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.